Hey party people, welcome to another video. Today's topic is clear coat restoration. I want to show you just how simple, despite all the nonsense the industry wants to throw at you, just how simple it can actually be. One product, a car polish, one buffer, one pad. Look at the side of that paint. I've got my LED shining on it. It's revealing all the imperfections. Got my prophylactic blue painter's tape. That right as per the camera. I'm gonna work on this area and then I'm gonna show you the before and after. I've got my flex, dual action. I'm gonna set it to a speed setting of 6. I'm gonna apply my polish. I'm not going to overthink the seasoning of the pad. Place it right on the surface and turn it on. Bust out your microfiber cloth. There we go. Let's do a reveal. Pretty dramatic. Before, after. So here, that will be probably one of your big decisions. Like, oh, how long do I need to polish? I'm afraid of burning the clear coat. Well, this is 22-year-old paint. You saw how long I kept a buffer in this section right here. And look at the dramatic results. So you could just keep it that simple. Is this perfect, this area here? Absolutely not. But it looks way better than that. So polish, wipe, check your results. Now with all that said, let me add at least one word of caution, and that is this. Clear coat will be on your car. Every car produced from the factory in its original state will have clear coat on it in virtually 99.99% of the cases. So just accept that your car has clear coat on it. And honestly, it doesn't really matter because the same products, the same tools, the same processes still apply even if you didn't have clear coat. Yes, it would be different working on it, but if you don't have any experience, which a lot of you will not, you won't know the difference, but everything still holds true. But clear coat is good. So when you pick a polish, likely it's going to have some type of abrasive technology to it. Now, this is where things can get really complex and complicated. The industry is forever trying to manipulate you out of your money by point you need to know is that clear coat is good. Clear coat is what filters out and protects your color coat from UV radiation or UV lighting from the sun. The thicker the clear coat is, the better. So if you're using abrasives, which I did, to permanently finesse and fine-tune your paint so that it looks better, then you have to accept that in the process of using those abrasives, you're going to thin out the clear coat on your car. Now, when I say thin out, this is actually over dramatized just to illustrate the point. Thinning out will be hundreds or thousands of an inch in order to make your car paint look better. So it's a very trivial amount. The point being is that A, it's likely a lot safer than you think it is. You're not going to burn through your paint like you might think you're going to do it. But also you need to accept that you are in fact thinning it out, which means that if clear coat is a finite thickness, which it is, eventually if you polish it enough, it will eventually disappear. With that, if you have learned even one thing today, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. That'd even be better. I'll leave you with that. We'll see you on the next video.
There was once a day that I would